Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 9 and 10.
And
Yes, Your Lordship.
yes.
Your Lordship, we are yet to file our affidavit in reply. So kindly list the matter on February 26.
26. Therefore, petitioner.
Yes, Your Lordship.
I'm per petitioner, my lord, item 9, my lord.
Item number 9.
9. my
You
lord.
are for the petitioner.
Yes, my lord. And
You are for
respondent 2.
Who?
She's for respondent 2.
respondent 2.
And item number 10, my lord, no, she's petitioner, I'm respondent.
Okay.
So in item number 2, my lord, they want to file reply.
Item number 10.
10, yes.
Okay. In 9.
9, my lord, today I'm going to file rejoinder, my lord, today, my lord.
Okay. You are Mr. SK.
Yes, committee. And the in item number 9, my lord, respondent 1 and 2 yet not file affidavit, my lord.
Ma'am,
Okay.
His Lordship, my lord, I'm appearing on behalf of Livika, counsel for the statement.
In item 9.
9. Government has not filed an affidavit, my lord.
Not yet filed.
Not filed. So therefore, affidavit is required, my lord.
How much time you?
At least 2 weeks, my lord.
My lord,
2 weeks.
26, my lord, both the case may come, 26th of February.
So you are going to file rejoinder on
Today itself, my lord.
no affidavit filed by
Filed by the respondent 2, my lord.
2.
Yes.
Okay. Add Mr. SK Medi, non-counsel for the petitioner, who prays for some time.
Well, today
So,
itself- today itself, right?
who submits that he is filing a rejoinder to the affidavit filed by the respondent number 2 today
Yes.
itself. Stop. I've also heard Mr.
E. Tipapong,
appearing on behalf of
Livika,
Livika, Lanet, Government Counsel,
yes, government advocate.
Government Advocate for respondent number
1 and 3.
1 and 3. Who prays for how much
3 weeks time.
3 weeks time to file affidavit on behalf of respondent number 1 and 3. Stop. Miss
And solo.
appear on behalf of
Respondent 1.
Respondent,
Two.
the petitioner in COP.
no.
In she's
in
2.
okay for your name is there. No.
No, Your Lordship.
You are
I'm
appearing on
appearing on
behalf
behalf of my senior MT Longjum.
Okay, appearing on behalf of NT
MT Longjum.
MT Longjum. You have already filed affidavit. Okay.
No, we are yet to file our affidavit in COP.
My lord, in
Okay, that's
read
fine.
this
That's
other file.
fine. Okay. On behalf of respondent number 2, huh? Stop. Is prayed for by the Lana Council for the respondent number 1 and 3 List this matter after.
My lord, on 20, as per my lord.
Oh, as prayed for
Yes.
by the land council for the response.
20
For the
26
respondent number 2. And you are also praying for the same?
Yes, true,
Okay,
Mr.
2. Respondents, sir. List this matter on
February 26.
26 February. Okay. And then COP.
COP, they are going to file a reply.
Okay. Hmm,
This is for petitioner.
okay. Miss, in COP. Land council appearing on behalf of Miss, your
Imti Longjun,
implementation. Land council for
the
the
petitioner.
petitioner. Prays for some more time to file affidavit in reply
Yes, your lordship.
to the affidavit filed by the respondent. Stop, huh? To which Mr. Eskimedi,
You first.
land council for the respondent, has no objection. Stop. List is matter on
26.
26.
My lord, no, both are taken.
Okay. February, huh? 26 February. Okay.
Well, so for item number 7, my lord, then I'm for a petitioner, my lord. In this case, my lord, notice was issued, my lord, service is awaited, my lord. And the honorable court directed to file an additional affidavit, my lord. We file additional affidavit, my lord, it is not in record, my lord. So service is awaited, so for respondent.
Just a minute. Item
7,
7, you are for the petitioner.
yes, my lord,
This is civil revision.
yes, my lord, civil division.
What is your submission here?
My lord, this service is awaited, my lord, and as per the court order.
Service upon whom?
Service upon the respondent, my lord.
All the respondent?
Yes, my lord.
Okay. So
But there is sole
is there
respondent.
also any delay condonation application here in this case?
My lord, as per court, direction of the court, my lord, we have filed an additional affidavit, my lord.
Additional
It
affidavit?
is there, my lord, we already filed, my lord.
Hmm.
It is not in record, my lord, we filed, my lord.
Not on record.
No, probably it is not in record, I've checked, I don't know, my lord, or it is filed, my lord, we already filed.
Okay.
It is not.
Have you served copy of the additional affidavit
My
to
lord,
the
the
respondent?
only sole respondent, my lord, notice was served to the respondent, my lord. No, they have not, if not done, still not appeared, my lord.
Okay,
So service is awaited, my lord.
okay. Mr. S.K. Medi, land counsel for the petitioner, submits that he has
Already filed additional affidavit, my lord.
already filed
Additional affidavit,
additional affidavit
yes, my lord.
in the civil revision, which is not, or
Not
has come on record,
not record, man.
which may
Take with record.
take with the,
Record, court record, madam.
okay. Is it on record? Not yet,
I've said not yet, no, not yet come, madam. So it may
Okay.
come.
which has not yet come on record. And praise the same may be brought on record. Stop. He also submits that the steps taken upon the sole respondent.
Service is awaited, madam.
Okay. The service report on the step taken upon the sole respondent is still awaited. List this matter on
26, madam,
26,
coming from
okay.
Gauhati, madam.
in
26
view of the above. List this matter on 26
February.
February. Okay.
Highly addressed.
Yes.
For admission, item number 1.
You have to mention what
Lordship, item number 8.
item
8.
8,
Your lordship, I have instruction to appear for respondent number 2.
respondent number
2.
2.
Yes. I pray for 4 weeks time to file our bakalat and counter.
Okay. Who is for the
Your
petition?
lordship, I'm for the petitioner.
Hard miss. Land counsel for the petitioner have first, huh? Okay. Miss
Please, okay.
would appear on behalf of respondent number
2.
2. and prays for how much
4
time?
weeks. 4 weeks.
4 weeks time to file power and the affidavit on behalf of the respondent number 2. Okay. The prayer so made by the Learned Counsel for appearing on behalf of the respondent is not being objected to by the Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Accordingly, the prayer is allowed. List this matter after 4 weeks. Okay.
May I please, Lordship, my lord, I beg to mention item number 11. On behalf of K. Angami, my lord. Kindly list the matter after 1 week.
You are for?
I'm appearing on behalf of K. Angami.
Yeah, Angami is for respondent.
My lord, I'm appearing for petitioner in this case, my lord. In this case, my lord, the matter has already been compromised, my lord. And respondent, my lord, he is also appeared, my lord. So in view of the compromise, my lord, the matter can be closed, my lord. I think the matter may be reached, my lord, I think. It is good.
Okay.
Because already affidavit has been filed by my friend, my lord, respondent number 2 and 3, my lord.
Okay.
So in view of the
Representative for the
So-
phone number, 3.
You are for respondent number
informant, just one number 2 and 3, my lord.
2
Two and
2 and
3.
3, my lord.
This is criminal petition.
Yes, given
Yes,
petition
yes,
for quashing of
but,
the FIR, my lord.
Affidavit,
Okay.
compromise, it has been, compromise has been made before, between the parties. So an affidavit of the compromise has been filed before this honorable court. So if the lordship may kindly accept the compromise deed, because the section under which the bill
This-
book,
This, my lord, this
these
petition,
are compoundable in nature, your honor.
my lord, no, this item,
Compoundable.
not my lord, I'm submitting, my lord. This case is not, this section 420 is compoundable by the order of, by the permission of the court. But there are 409 and 120 B, my lord, which is not compoundable, my lord. So, my lord, I have filed this application, my lord, under 482, my lord, for quashing of an FIR, my lord. In view of the judgment, my lord, and latest judgment of this honorable court. So may I pray, my lord, this matter may reach, my lord. As item number 11, my lord, my lord, I will appraise your lordship with some judgments, my lord.
My lord, here, PP is in disposal.
So,
I've received instruction that.
You are for the private respondent.
yes.
Yes, yes.
PP is not present, then in that case, it will be a little difficult.
That is one.
Otherwise, my lord, is a matter of recovery of money, my lord. Money has been recovered.
Money has
settled, my
been
lord.
recovered.
So it's basically
Recovery of money.
Yes,
Yes.
my lord. Yes, my lord.
Just a minute.
Your
huh?
lordship.
My lord, may kindly peruse, my lord, the page number, my
Just a
lord.
minute.
The FIR, my lord. Page 31, my lord. May kindly see, my lord.
Okay, let the matter.
Yes,
matter
my lord.
reach.
Let the matter may reach, my lord.
Let us see.
Lordship,
Let us see.
Let us see, yes, my lord.
Quiet mission. Item number 1.
Please, your lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, this honorable court has directed the appealing company to file an affidavit
Hmm.
explaining the number of
Yes,
delays.
yes. The
Lordship,
detail.
Yes, Lordship, we have already filed an affidavit
You have filed.
explaining the number of days delay.
Okay, has it come on record?
Yesterday only I have filed, your
Yesterday.
lordship.
Has it come? No. Call for the record then. If it is there. You have you printed out a citation that you have given?
Lordship.
Citation. Twenty 21 SCC, 2 SCC, 317. No?
Oh, Lordship, it's in the,
Oh, on the record, okay. Okay, then, what I'll do, I'll pass order. Hmm? Okay, let the record come. I'll pass order. We'll dictate, huh? Later, no? Okay, and then along with the citation. Also, huh? Okay,
Item number 2.
yes.
Mr. Lordship.
Yeah.
Lordship, I beg to mention on behalf of Avita Lordship. Can you grant a 3 weeks time to file my conduct?
Hmm?
3 weeks time, Lordship.
Takes time. You're full respondent.
Lordship.
Okay. Miss,
Yes, Chang.
you're for respondent number?
1 to 4.
Okay, for all respondent.
Lordship.
Then it government advocate appearing, all the respondent. Raise for 2 weeks time to file affidavit. The prayers were made by the Royal Council for the respondent has not been objected to by Mr.
Subhamati.
Royal Council for the petitioner. Accordingly, the prayer is allowed. List this matter after 4 weeks. Okay.
Lordship.
Your Lordship, item 2 to 6, Lordship, these all are analogous, Lordship. Item number 2 to 6, so similar order may be passed.
Oh,
Lordship.
similar order.
Yes, Lordship.
Okay, similar order there.
Obliged, Lordship.
Lordship.
Item number 11.
May it please your lordship.
Yeah.
My lord, may kindly come to page number, my lord. 29 is the FIR, my lord. What has happened, my lord? This respond number 2 and 2, my lord.
Yeah, we just have to see if we can take up the matter in absence of
Yes.
the Rani PP. So let's
Yes.
just.
I
Page-
think, my lord, it can be taken up because, my lord, the FIR is in regard to recovery of the money, my lord.
that's
And
right.
ultimately, the money has been recovered, my lord. Both the parties has settled, my lord.
Mhm.
And my lord, compromise deed, my lord, I have already annexed, my lord. This is a page, my lord, 34, my lord. And my
Okay, just
friend is
page, FIR page.
page, my lord, 29 is the FIR, my lord. If lordship sees the FIR, my lord, it is totally of civil nature, my lord. Both the respondent number 2 and the petitioner, they have jointly purchased a plot of land, my lord. They have shared, my lord. Lordship may kindly see, my lord. Page 29. I will read the FIR, my lord.
Okay.
We the undersigned, namely Ruhul so-and-so, would like to file a complaint against following persons. The Hussain Ahmad is the petitioner and one Sahabuddin, my lord. At the outset in the year 2018, with an objective of purchasing a plot of land in Gauhati, we approached Sahabuddin for finding a suitable land for purchase. As such, we have introduced one Hussain Khan by one of our acquaintance, Sahabuddin, both being professional broker dealing in property. Wherein Hussain told that a plot of land is available for sale in Hatigao, Beltala, measuring so-and-so, belonging to one so-and-so. Also, it was also told the land is priced so-and-so, an additional amount of rupees will be charged for the paperwork. Subsequently, we went to Gauhati and proceed to a plot of land which proposed to sold to us after saying we agreed to purchase the land.
And Hussain Khan, this is a petitioner, assured that the land is free from all encroachment and that he will get all the papers, deeds, and ready transfer the ownership of the land in the name of the Ruhul Ahmed. So thereafter, my lord, thus agreeing on these terms and conditions, they made the payment, my lord. The payment mode has been mentioned, my lord. First payment, second payment, third payment, remaining payment. The most important part is the last paragraph, my lord. Subsequently, we traveled to Gauhati to take possession of the land. However, so in the middle, my lord, lordship will see, my lord, the sale deed was duly executed, wherein Mr. Ruhul Alam appended his signature in the sale deed. So sale deed was executed, my lord. Thereafter, my lord, last paragraph, my lord. Subsequently, we traveled to Gauhati to take possession of the land. However, our astonished and dismay, we found Hussain Ahmad Khan, the petitioner, was already in possession of the said land, where we demanded to hand over possession of the land which we purchased. Hussain refused to give the possession of the land to us. When we confronted him and demanded to return our money back, Hussain Ahmad Khan claimed that he has no fund now. Instead, he assured that he would sell his property to reimburse our payment. But later, Hussain Ahmad Khan reneged on his promises. This is the main one, telling us to that whatever actions we deem fit, making it clear that he had no intention of returning our money or handing over the property. This is my lord, perception of the accused, my lord, informant. My lord. Furthermore, we are unable to reach Hussain as he stopped responding to our calls. So thereafter, my lord, as such, it is evident the action of the Hussain Ahmad Khan Sahabuddin was the intention due us for the inception. We have become victim. Therefore, we request the team to book the accused person. We beseech our earnest attention and give a matter, and we plead our urgency to adopt suitable measure to ensure and recovery of our hard-earned money, which was handed over in good faith. Actually, my lord, this is the content of the FIR, my lord. Actually, my lord, the actual, my lord, intention, my lord, it has been revealed, my lord, in our, my lord, compromise it. Actually, what has happened, my lord, both have purchased one plot of land, my lord. These are 3 katas of land, my lord. These a boundary was given, my lord. So they have divided half and half, my lord. So within the same boundary, half portion belongs to the petitioner, my lord, and half portion belongs to, my lord, the respondent, my lord. Respondent number 2. My lord, respondent number 2. So, my lord, ultimately, my lord, respondent number 2, after selling it, my lord, he want to sell the property. So, as he, my lord, trying to find, and he allowed the petitioner that you find some customer and sell it, because that was there in the compromise deed, my lord. So, ultimately, my lord, he tried to find out the customer, my lord, but he could not sell because of the high value and saturated market position, my lord. So ultimately, my lord, in the meantime, there was misunderstanding that arose, my lord, because of delay in making payment, my lord. And ultimately, my lord, this led to a lodging of this FIR, my lord. So, my lord, I will take your lordship to the compromise. That is very important, my lord. Page 35 once, my lord. Basically, a civil dispute, my lord, regarding money, my lord, and it has been recovered now. My lord, may kindly come to page 35, my lord.
Yes.
This is a part of the compromise, the first recital, my lord.
This is compromise.
Yes, my lord.
And a compromise arrived between the
petitioner as well as the informant, my lord. Both the informants, my lord.
okay. This is
on 20.
FIR was on which date?
FIR 1, my lord, on my lord, it is on 9/11/2023, my lord.
23. And
Yes,
this
and it was on
compromise is on
27/11, my lord. 29/11, my lord.
in the same month
In the same month, my lord.
after lodging FIR.
Yes, after lodging the FIR, my lord. So in the middle, I will
So
read, my lord.
whether this informant
Yes, my lord.
who has entered into this compromise
My lord.
agreement
Yes, my lord.
had filed a withdrawal of the FIR subsequently, because by the
My lord, actually, my lord, what has happened, my lord, these sections, my lord, one is 420 is compoundable, my lord, compoundable with the permission of the court.
no, still then, because this
Yes, my
allegation,
lord,
as you submit,
he has already,
that this is civil nature according to
yes,
you.
my lord,
And,
when this bail has been moved before the court below, by the trial court, my lord, the informant, both informant has appeared before the court below and have submitted, my lord. My lord, may kindly come to page 39 once, my lord.
no, just a minute, huh? This FIR was lodged on
9/11, 23, my lord.
So 23, 11/23.
Yes. Thereafter, my lord, he was arrested,
So
my lord.
the marriage is still under investigation.
Under investigation, my lord.
Okay. So whether this compromise deed
Is already placed
agreement
before the IO,
also
placed before the IO as well as in the trial
made
court.
available to the police,
Yes,
IO also.
IO also as well as in the trial court also, my lord. Because while on production, my lord, when bail was moved, my lord, both the informant, my lord, they went to the court, my lord. It is there in the bail order, my lord. And they have
Now after this, whether the IO has also recorded a subsequent statement of the
yes, my lord, everything was done, my lord. Statement was recorded this,
Now, probably it may happen so that the IO may not file charge sheet. IO may file
my lord,
final report.
no, my lord, in this case, my lord, what I understand, my lord, since, we don't know, my lord, IO may go for, my lord.
No, because subsequently, subsequently within the period of how many days?
Yes,
Not even 20 days.
Yes, my lord.
You have informed the IO that the matter has been compromised.
Yes.
And then probably your statement might have also recorded
Yes.
statement of the, I
Yes.
mean, the informant.
Yes, it is.
Again.
Yes. Now, subsequently, it was on that, on during, my lord, custody, my lord, his statement was recorded, my lord. Because.
No, your statement is all right,
Yes,
but then the statement of the informant.
Yes, my lord, there was.
Subsequently, after filing of this.
Yes.
After handing over the deed of agreement,
Yes, my lord.
compromise agreement.
My lord.
So he or her,
He, my lord.
his statement also might have also recorded.
Yes, my lord.
Your lordship, here the respondent number 2 and 3 were called by the IO when this compromise deed was made.
Yes.
At the police station. So their statement was recorded by the IO of the case. And due to these reasons, the bail was also granted.
Yes.
So now, before going to the going through the cases, now since I have recovered my money and with forgiveness and to forgive and forget, a compromise this has been made and I have recovered my money. So my humble prayer before your lordship is that if your lordship has ample power to quash the FIR, so that amicable settlement also has been made.
Now that is what I am saying, because subsequently you have submitted this and your statement also recorded once again. And then thereafter, the IO might not file charge sheet, what I am saying.
My lord,
Yes.
What has happened, my lord?
IO might file only
I am being informed.
final report saying that there is no case.
I am being informed, my lord, during the time of investigation, my lord, I am being informed, my lord, that some 41A notices, my lord, he is not trying to complete, my lord, he is trying to investigate the matter, my lord. But in the case now, when the compromise has been arrived, my lord, whether these investigations, whether the IO can do it, my lord.
Now, because you see, we do not know here, because the IO is the right person, best person to know about the case. Because according to IO, if the offense has already been committed, probably he will go ahead with. But then under the present fact and circumstances, probably he will not go further. And then you see, if the IO is not ready to go, whether is it okay, is it right for the High Court?
Yes, my lord, I have a judgment to that effect, my lord. I will let your lordship, my lord, recently, my lord, may kindly peruse, my lord, this judgment, my lord. This is a case, my lord, where, my lord, if this is a Gyan Singh case, my lord, recently, my lord, related by one of my case, my lord, in quashing of an FIR, my lord. I will take your lordship to page 51, my lord. Para 51, my lord. Because para 52, my lord. I will just read some of the paragraphs, my lord. It will clear your lordship.
Yes, sir.
Power of your lordship, my lord, in quashing of an affair in case of the case which are not compoundable, my lord. My lord, I will take your lordship to pay para 52, my lord.
52?
Yes, my lord.
Not 22?
No, 52.
Okay, just.
Page 339.
Yes.
The question is with regard to the inherent power of the High Court in quashing of criminal proceeding against an offender who has settled his dispute with the victim of the crime, but the crime in which he is allegedly involved is not compoundable under section 320 of the code. Now, my lord, I will take your lordship to para, my lord, 55, my lord. Down below, my lord. In the very nature of his constitution, it is judicial obligation of the High Court to undo a wrong in courts of administration of justice or prevent continuation of unnecessary judicial process. This is founded on the legal maxim of so and so, so and so. this will, the full import of which is whenever anything is authorized or especially,
Okay.
yes,
Just what we'll do,
yes, my
I've
lord.
understood.
Yes,
No,
my lord.
we'll pass an order, but then
Yes, my lord.
But then let the PP
Yes.
obtain instruction from the IO.
Ma'am.
We'll fix a date,
Ma'am.
and on that day, we'll dispose of,
ma'am.
if nothing adverse against you, we'll dispose of
Ma'am.
as per this, because there are some summary judgment also,
Yes,
which
ma'am.
allow.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
So on the basis of that, we'll dispose
Yes,
of, but then let the IO, let the PP be present
My
on
lord,
that
my
day.
lord.
So we'll fix on after next week. So I'll be sitting after next week.
Then after next week, can it be on 7th, my lord?
Hmm?
Sorry, my lord, it's 7th of February, my lord. What is your, my lord? Let me see.
7th.
7th, DV, yes. 7th. So then, 8th,
We can fix on first. No,
first, my lord.
first February.
First February.
Is it okay? Because in a criminal case,
Yes.
it will be difficult to dispose of in absence of the
My lord.
people.
My lord.
Yes, your lordship.
So, in the meantime, the PP will obtain instruction. So because subsequent development, the IO might also give a report
Yes.
that they have submitted this compromise agreement deed, etc., and nothing remains. No. Okay. Mr. G. Alam, Land Counsel for the petitioner. And Mr. Land Counsel for
Kofi.
the respondent number 1 and 2.
2 and 3.
2 and 3, stop. Mr.
Itika Home, appearing on behalf of K.
Appearing on behalf of K. Angame, Land PP, na?
Yes.
Press. Inform this court that Mr. K. Angame is out of station.
Yes.
Out of station, and pressed for listing this matter on to 2nd, huh? No, second, first February. The prayer is not been objected by the Land Counsel for the petitioner and the respondent number 2 and 3. Accordingly, the prayer is allowed. List this matter on 1st February. Okay. In the meantime, the Land PP shall obtain necessary instruction from the eye of the case. Okay.
Much obliged.
Obliged.